Audrey and Adeline.
Alright, yay! I'm Gerard, this is my daughter Audrey. Super daughter Audrey. And we're gonna open, we got a package from Amazon. Pagatari toy. Let's see what it is, huh?
Yeah, it's a zoo.
Alright, open it. Can you pull it? Oh, no! Here we go. Alright, let's see. Whoa! We've
That
got
one.
more things to open.
That one is the different order, so.
This is not a toy. Something else.
That
But this, however, wow, look at all the animals. Woo. Here, super daughter Audrey, tearing it up. Wow, you are so strong.
Good job.
Lunch carry box. Let's check this out here.
Wow, I love
Boom,
that.
shakalaka. There we go. It's a box of zoo animals.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, it's a giraffe and a horse. What's this one?
Elephant.
It is an elephant. You know what this is?
And last tiger.
Wow, what is that?
A deer.
It's an elk, I believe.
A lion and a tiger.
Whoa, bears. There's no bears? Lion and tiger, no bear? Oh my.
Wow, and there are smaller ones
Oh, here we
too.
go. Oh, it is a bear. Look.
A bear.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
No, it's a panda.
It is a panda bear. You are so smart.
Panda bear.
You must be my daughter. You're so smart.
Miko bear.
Oh,
Miko bear.
yeah, give it to mommy. Oh, it's a nice box to turn it in. Let's have.
Yeah, there's a baby giraffe just
Oh,
like
wow.
Wow.
this. It's just like this.
What if we have?
Oh, that is so cool.
They're the same,
I love this little.
Your baby.
It's an alligator. Oh my goodness. Let's have the bear fight the alligator. What do you think? Here, you be the bear. I'll be the alligator.
And I will be the zebra.
The zebra. Oh, we can fight the zebra too. 3 against 1. That's not fair. But I'll take you on anyway. Oh. Oh, that got me. Oh, gator down, gator down. Oh my goodness.
Camel.
All right, camel. Gator. Oh. Wow, you sure know how to kick a gator when he's down.
How about this? This is so cute. I love that it comes with this box.
Giraffe mode.
Put it right here,
Giraffe
Daddy.
is for, like,
Alright, let's see.
Is the baby
Is there an
giraffe.
easy way or the hard way?
It
Oh,
is
there's the easy way. Only mommy can find it. Here we go.
Silly.
Here we go.
Wow.
Free at last. It's a giraffe.
And this is his baby.
Oh.
Mommy and
It
baby
can't
giraffe.
stand. It can't stand.
Oh, it's a wolf. He's howling just like Kona. Oh.
Girl.
Hey. Oh my goodness. You're doing it, baby.
Mama.
It's a cub.
Mama.
Yeah, like a
Tiger cub.
Pretty cool, and then you put them in the box right there. I love it.
Uh-oh. That tiger's in trouble. He's got competition now. We got Mr. Lion.
Well, tigers and lions are the jumpers.
Lions and tigers and bears. Oh my. The lion is crying. Simba! Don't you know the lion is king? Oh, that got me in the head. Oh my goodness.
The horse? There's no horse.
A horse is a horse, of course, of course.
I don't see no horse, baby.
Oh,
Here's
Mr.
the
Ed.
mommy.
It was about a talking
Here's the
horse.
mommy. Happy horse.
And his owner was called Wilbur. Oh, look at that.
Not open.
Oh,
It is like the same.
this horse is galloping. He doesn't know how to stand still, though. There it is. That's right.
Elephant baby.
These are for fucking people. Ah!
Ow! Ow! Ow!
All right, well, we like our Animal World toys here. And fun to play with, educational, and good to fight with. No? All right. What do you think, Audrey?
Yes, stacking them all with them.
What is your opinion of these toys?
Good.
You like them?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
I stack all the babies with them.
Very cool.
I did that.